So, period is a collection of symptoms that some women get around the time of their periods, around the time of their menstruation cycle. It's like you can have your stomach cramps or you don't have stomach cramps. It's normal for all. Okay? So, it can include headache, back pain, irritability or moodiness, your change in your moods, feeling sad or emotional, bloating of your stomach, and breast tenderness. These are few symptoms you can have or you don't have. You are normal. Okay, some women don't have any of these symptoms and some have these symptoms. Okay, and next is food helps in period cramps. First of all, I just tell you what all food you can have while having your period cramps. What are these? First of all, drink as much as water as you can, because hydration is the key of your fighting cramps. So you have to drink as much as water you can. Okay, and add some leafy green vegetables in your diet. You just have to, as you all know, hari sabjiyan are like very important for our diet. So like that, you have to include green leafy vegetables in your diet while having your menstruation cycle also. Okay, in fruits, what all fruits you can have? Many of, like we just say hame se fruits hi khane hai, vegetables and all we don't like. So what all fruits you can add? These are banana, pineapple and kiwi. Kiwi, in my last session, get rid of your belly fat, I just had taken previous Sunday. I also included these fruits except banana, pineapple and kiwi. You can also have while you are working on your abs also. So similarly, if you are having stomach cramps, you can also have kiwi, banana and pineapple in your diet. Okay, and get more of your calcium in your diet. So you just have to have more of your calcium. If you are taking any calcium tablets, you can have woman calcium, shell cal, you can have these tablets also. Okay, and last, oats. Oats is a very famous as in diet. While today life schedule, people just used to be like 10 minutes of cooking and they get rid of your oats bowl. So you can have oats in your breakfast or in your snacks. Why oats I'm including in every diet plan? It's just because oats are a good source of zinc and magnesium, which helps in your blood vessels to relax. Oats have a large amount of, get full of zinc and magnesium in it. So this actually helps in your blood vessels to get relaxed. So that's why you include oats in your snacks or in your breakfast, anything. Okay, and last is eat a few eggs. Eggs are like good for your vitamin B6, vitamin D, vitamin E and full of protein. So it is must to include egg in your diet. If you are a non-veg person, you can include. It's a very good diet to have. Okay, now like last you can have ginger. Grab some ginger. I can say ginger. Why ginger? Ginger is a stomach soother. And it also a very good for your gas and bloating of stomach. If you are having any bloating or if you have any gas problems or anything, it's a stomach soother. You can have your ginger in your diet. Okay, last, chocolate, a very good famous part of every female. You can have dark chocolate only, not single anything chocolate like dairy milk and anything. No, you can have dark chocolate in your diet. Okay, and peanut butter. The people who are more into fitness, they know peanut butter is a very good diet to have. So you can add dark chocolate and peanut butter in your diet. Why? Because they both are rich in magnesium. As I said, oats are also rich in zinc and magnesium. Dark chocolate and peanut butter both are rich in magnesium. So you have to take more and more of magnesium while having your menstruation cycle. Okay, now I'll include. Okay, yeah, so what food are bad for your period cramps? First I had taken what all foods you can have in your period cramps. Now I just take what all food habits you have to avoid while having your menstruation cycle. Okay, so you have to avoid more of salt or more of sugar. Anything which is more in your diet just have to affect you badly. So you have to avoid more of salt, because consuming lot of salt can lead to a water retention. As I said, you have to take more of water. It's just normal water you can have just to avoid hydration in your diet. So you have to avoid consuming more of salt, so that you just have to get rid of your water retention. You don't feel like कि पानी की कमी हो रही है body में. So you have to avoid salt. Okay, so which can result in bloating. If you take salt in your diet, more salt in your diet, it results to be in a stomach bloating. But it's like if you are a low BP person, just don't avoid salt. You just say Dr. Priyanka said ki salt avoid karna while having menstruation cramp, and I just end up having my low BP. So don't do like that. Okay, now less of sugar. You have to take less of sugar. A large amount of sugar is not good for your health, you all know. Okay, so you have to avoid coffee. Many people have this myth ki like we can have coffee and it's good. Caffeine is not good for your health. More caffeine is not good. You can have less amount of coffee. It's like a normal tea or a coffee you can have just for smoothing your stomach muscles and everything, but more of coffee you just have to avoid. Okay, alcohol, it's actually not good for your health, but while having your menstruation cycle you have to at least avoid alcohol for these 3 to 5 or 6 days, in like how many days you are having. So you have to avoid that. Spicy food, so everyone who is lover of the spicy food, they have to avoid spicy food while having their menstruation cycle. Fried foods, same, spicy food and fried foods you have to avoid. Red meat, if you are a non-veg person, you can have egg, but you don't have red meat. Okay, so food you don't tolerate well, similar like you are not have likes this much amount of food and you don't like this vegetable, this fruit, just avoid that. It's not कि मैंने banana बोला है तो you have to eat banana, मैंने kiwi and pineapple बोला है तो you have to eat that. No, if you don't like, just avoid that. Okay, now get rid of your period cramps faster. So now I am taking few of your home remedies which you all can include while having your period cramps. So what are the home remedies you can have? First of all, you can have a hot bath. A hot bath gives you a very soothing relaxation to your body, so you can have that also while having your menstruation cycle. Secondly, you can have hot fermentation. Hot fermentation, why? Putting a hot water bottle. Many of females will feel like sometimes they feel stomach cramps, sometimes they feel lower back pain while having menstruation cycle. So what they can do is they can have a hot fermentation. If you are having a stomach cramps or something, you can just put a hot water bottle on your belly in case you are having stomach pain, and you can put a hot water bottle in your lower back also when you are having or feeling any lower back pain while your menstruation cycle. So it's a very good method for a home remedy part ki you just put a hot water bottle wherever you are having pain or cramps, anything. Okay, and last is just I can say have a painkiller, but only when it's prescribed by a gynecologist or some doctor. So you can have Meftal Spas as a tablet for your stomach cramps, and you can also have Brufen. Brufen is a painkiller, but more of a medicine is not good for your health also, so you have to avoid that also. Okay, so you can have painkillers but only prescribed by your gynecologist or any doctor or something. Okay, yeah, so I'll take now the yoga poses for the period cramps. So I'll say I just do 2 special yoga poses which are very good for your period cramps, which just avoid your stomach aches, stomach cramps also. Why they are good? It's just like they mainly open up your lower part of your body, so that the blood clots which you are having while having menstruation cycle, they all just easily comes out. So that's why these 2 yoga poses are very important. Okay, so first one is child pose, second one is pigeon pose. I'll just demonstrate every pose. First I'll just tell you why these poses are important. Child pose, extremely relaxing pose which helps in relieving menstruation pain. It's like this is the pose you can just attain this pose and relax for some time in the particular pose, the child pose. Second one is pigeon pose. Why pigeon pose? The pigeon pose stretches the entire lower part of your body. As I said, these poses are important because they stretches your lower part of your body, your hamstrings, your glutes, your calf muscles, your buttock muscles, your every single muscle of your lower part. These are just the poses which stretches these muscles. So the pigeon pose stretches the entire lower part of your body. First one, it stimulates the abdominal organs. The abdominal organs, the organs which are in front in around our stomach, they stimulates the abdominal organ and release the body of menstruation discomfort. Okay, so you just relieves your menstruation discomfort while attaining these poses. Okay, it also open up your hip joints and is also known to relieve the body of stress and anxiety. As you all know, stress is not a good part for our body, so these poses are just like give you a very relaxation mode for your body, and you just have to feel like there is no stress I am having and there is very relaxation I am feeling in these poses.
talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a try. Take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. You know, singing like girls.